Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon video easy guide. Start with cold bacon and a cold pan to render fat evenly. Cook over medium-low heat, flipping occasionally for even browning. Drain excess fat into a heat-safe container and reserve for cooking. For extra crispness, finish under a broiler for 1 to 2 minutes, watching closely. Pat bacon dry on paper towels and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Choose a method that fits your time and texture goals. Stovetop gives control and crispness, oven yields consistent results for many strips, and air fryer is fast with less mess. For stovetop, use medium-low heat and flip as needed. For oven, bake at 400 degrees F on a rack for 12 to 18 minutes depending on thickness. For air fryer, cook at 375 degrees F for 8 to 12 minutes. Always monitor closely near the end to prevent burning. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. I also wanted to mention the Echo Dot smart speaker as a handy kitchen companion for timers and music while you cook. It fills the room with sound and stays out of the way on a counter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Seasoning can be simple or bold depending on taste. Try a light dusting of black pepper or brown sugar for a sweet glaze, or a pinch of cayenne for heat. Use tongs to move strips gently to avoid tearing, and keep a paper towel-lined plate nearby to drain finished bacon. Save rendered fat for frying eggs or roasting vegetables for delicious added flavor. Let bacon rest a minute to firm up before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.